Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to EPSEC online support program. In this video, we will be able to recall the content of chapter 3. For this, the required resources are textbook and notebook. Summary of the lesson is, in this lesson, we will be able to call back the content of chapter 3, complete revision worksheet, and show our understanding of the learned topic. Today's thought of the day is, the only way of finding the limits of the possible is by going beyond them into the impossible. It means in order to discover what your limits are, you have to push a bit farther than that place. Today's objectives are, students will be able to comprehend the text and attempt the given task, recall the summary of chapter 3, compare the characters of Swiss Pastor and Lieutenant Bell, show the understanding of topic, preposition, and complete given worksheet. Summary of chapter 3. The main points of the summary are, once the family went on ashore, they did various things and made the things were required for them. They started to search for food. While searching for food, Jack and Ernest learned to be kind with animals. Children learned how to make spoons from lobster's shell. Fritz brought a small animal, a goatee, with him, which is a fast animal and lives under the ground. Question number 1 is, this is a task which will be done in your notebook. Compare the characters of Swiss Pastor and Lieutenant Bell by writing personality traits of each. Preposition. A preposition is an important part of the English language. It is used to show a relationship between two things or noun and pronoun in a sentence. It is followed by noun or pronoun, not by a verb. Preposition of place. A preposition of place is a position which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. There are only 3 prepositions of place. However, they can be used to discuss an almost endless number of places. The 3 are at, a preposition of place which is used to discuss a certain point. In, a preposition of place which is used to discuss an enclosed space or surface or area. On, a preposition of time which is used to discuss a surface. The other prepositions are above, which is used to discuss the high place or position than someone or something. Under, discuss about something which is covered. Near, used to tell about the short distance from a person or thing. Next to, tell about the position of someone or something which is at the site or who is at the site. In front of, used to talk about the farther or forward from someone or something. Among, used to tell about the area or used to tell about something or someone which is or who is surrounded by. Beneath, under someone or something. After, one follows the other. Behind, towards the back of something. Preposition of time. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period, such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Preposition of time are the same words as prepositions of place, however they are used in a different way. Such as here, the usage of in is, it is used to tell about the months, years, centuries, seasons, and time period. While on is used to tell about specific day or dates. However, the at is used to tell about specific time, holiday, and many more, such as I get up at 7 o'clock. So here is a worksheet which is related to prepositions. They are mixed from preposition of place and preposition of time. Read the rules and fill the blanks accordingly. Thank you. Have a nice day.